Hello, creative minds. In this video, I'll be putting you through how to draft your flaws. And here, you need a paper, and all the four sides will be equal in what I'll be working with. Then, as you can see, I try to get the first circle, which is the center. That will determine all what I will be doing. So I try to create that circle, but what I use 1 inch round to form the first circle. But that doesn't mean that is the basic or that is just what it should be. You can decide to make your own smaller. It's just a starting point. That's what that circle is. Or should I call it a guideline? That will guide you through from at that point to all the other things you'll be doing as you go on. So as you can see, I had to do it little by little because I don't have all the stuff I need to work with. So then try to blend them all. So the major one now will be starting these lines. I'll be having 3 inches round again. So that 3 inches is what I will use all through now. That is it. The width of what I want to work with. I don't want it to be too wide. I just want a moderate. So as you can see, I will take my tape round all through till I get my 3 inches. As you can see, I had to label it. That is 1 inch on the four sides. If you check where this is like I have a cross. Or should I say I have squares in 4 places. Yeah, and if you watch close, you can see my 3 inches. I did it from one point to the second point, which is half of my square. And now I want to connect it because if I don't do this connection to the tiny bit of circle inside, then it's as good as me having just a normal flay cut out. So this connection I'm doing right now makes it different from you cutting a normal flay, and that will now lead you to having the spiral effect. So I've blended that. So from this point I will continue my movement again using this new line. Now I will continue my 3 inches all through till I get to where I want it to stop, where I Now I've gotten all I want on my 3 inches. So I'm blending all the dots to form my line. So at the end of the day, I will cut out what I want. But then this doesn't mean it must be 3 inches. There's no rule that says that. You can decide to make yours tinier, maybe 2 inches, or decide to make it bolder. You could do 5, 6, just as your fabric can carry. And then you can make it longer as well. But this I just wanted to demonstrate, so that's why I just did this small bit of it. So that point whereby I wrote finish is where my cutting starts from. So let's continue and see what the effect will be at the end of the day by the time I cut. And I hope you are getting something from this video, and I guess it's easy. Oh yeah, that's it. Started my cutting. Now trace all through the line. So just watch carefully to see how I cut out, so that when you are doing yours, there won't be any mistake. And I hope this video has been impactful to someone. And oh yeah, this is the outcome of it. So you can place it on your fabric and trace out exactly the way it is. Thank you for watching.